Hi, Gustavo and Andrew here with Seriously Strong Training. Today we're going to show you how to get your forearms really strong. This is an awesome exercise. This machine is called the wrist roller, but this exercise is called wrist twists, so you can go either direction in forearm extension, like you're revving your motorcycle, or you can go down into forearm flexion the other way. So Andrew has his wrist roller set up here. We want it about shoulder height or about chest height. In that area is perfect. We want to make sure that the arms are straight. If you start to bend your arms, you're going to be using other muscle groups outside of your forearms. So let's keep the arms straight. Andrew's going to slowly come up using just his wrist, revving that motorcycle on both sides. And as he comes up, he should be feeling a burn in his forearms. Once he gets to a certain area, you can then come back down and get that lowering or that eccentric, that negative portion of the lift on the way down to really build that muscle in the forearms. The top of the forearms here is what we're talking about today, not the bottom. And the other way that you can perform this exercise is using both arms. If you already have the load off the ground, you can extend both wrists, load it up a little bit more, and focus on both forearms at the same time. And if you let it go down, you can go the other way and get into wrist flexion. So if he reverses it, he can go and pull his wrist down with the wrist roller. Now he has strain on his forearm flexors on the inside of his arm there. The wrist roller is a really versatile tool to really get your forearms big and strong.